Hello, our wonderful viewers! Today, we're thrilled to share with you a captivating tale about an experience we recently had on a ship. It was a journey of soothing calmness, enjoyment, and adventure. As we set sail from the picturesque port and embarked on our voyage, the serenity that enveloped us was something truly special. The ship's calmness and the gentle rocking motion lulled us into a state of peace and relaxation that is truly hard to put into words. Every moment on board was like a scene from a dream, the gentle swing of the ship underneath us, the soothing sounds of the waves lapping against the hull. It was as if we had stepped into a different world entirely. So there you have it, folks. That's our story of sailing aboard a majestic ship. May your voyages be as fulfilling and memorable as ours. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you are enjoying my silent journeys, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating journeys like this one. Until we meet again, safe travels!